Hi, welcome to 9malls review of the Yoshi Blade. It's the world's best ceramic knife. The claims are it won't rust or peel, stays sharp 10 times longer than stainless steel, and it comes with a bonus ceramic peeler as you can see here. So I'm going to compare it to a regular steel knife, and I'm going to make a grilled new potato salad with peppers and onions. To make the grilled new potato salad with peppers and onions, you need 2 pounds potatoes, canola oil, I'm just going to use vegetable oil, salt and pepper, 1/4 cup sherry vinegar, I'm just going to use apple cider vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 2/3 cup olive oil, 2 red bell peppers, grilled and peeled and seeded, 2 Cubano peppers, I'm just going to use hablano, it'll change the flavor but I just want to try hablano pepper. And that's also grilled, peeled, and seeded. 2 red onions, 1/2 cup rough chopped fresh parsley, and I'm going to add a little bit of green pepper and also a tomato. Out of the packaging, this is what that $20 you spent will get you. You have the Yoshi Blade. It's actually got a little bit of heft to it. It feels quality made. The blade is not serrated, which was something that I thought it was going to be. A serrated edge blade, but it's not. You have the peeler right here, and then you have the cover. First, boil 2 pounds of the potatoes just until tender. I'm going to need a 1/2 cup rough chopped parsley. So I'm going to use the Yoshi Blade to chop it up. It actually does a great job just chopping it down. It's actually doing a real good job. I mean, you can't rock it like a chef's knife, but it's doing a great job chopping it. So it just chops right through it. It's actually doing a great job. Wow. I'm impressed so far. Wow. Just kind of goes right through that. So I'm going to get out my chef's knife. It hasn't been sharpened in a while, but I mean, that also does a great job, and you can rock a chef's knife too, like that. But so far so good. It actually did a great job cutting through that. So got a half cup there. Okay, so I'm going to put this into a bowl. So I'm going to start cutting up the red bell peppers. Just kind of goes right through them. You kind of got to get the knife working, but it cuts pretty well. Now the hablano pepper. And a little bit of green pepper. And I'm slicing these up to be grilled, so I'm going to put these on a tray so I can put them underneath the broiler and just char them a little bit. So we have our red onion that's going to cut. We're going to cut it 1/4 thick slices. And the knife's doing great. I'm really impressed actually. And then grill that up as well. So just make 1/4 inch chunks. Now the knife's got great weight to it. It's sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's going to break. And if it does stay sharp like they claim, this is actually a pretty good knife. Now the true test. We have a Roma tomato. Now I'm going to slice it first with a regular knife. Now this is just the weight of the knife on the tomato, so it's not doing much. Now I'm going to go a little bit of pressure and just push down. So it cuts it with a little bit of ease. I mean, but let's try with the Yoshi Blade. So this is just the weight of the knife. Now a little bit of pressure, and when I push down, pretty much goes right through the tomato. Does a great job actually. So once you start it, then it just slides through. Okay, so it does really well actually for the tomato. Doesn't crush the tomatoes, it cuts them. In a bowl, I'm adding my 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, about 1/4 cup vinegar, And it calls for a two-thirds cup olive oil. I'm going to use closer to a half cup. I'm going to add more if it needs it. And then a little salt or pepper. And then a little salt. And then I'll season more if it needs it. So I put in the tomatoes, and that's what it looks like mixed up. And now I'm going to grill the vegetables. The vegetables are ready to go. I'm just going to put them underneath the broiler and get a light char on them. So the vegetables have a char on them. And I'm going to cut these up. They look great. So I chopped up the roasted vegetables, put them in the bowl with the dressing, and this is the final product. So now I'm just waiting for the potatoes, and I'm going to mix that in next. Now that the potatoes are done, I'm just going to cut them up like so. Then I'm going to lightly put a little bit of oil on them, put a little salt and pepper, and then broil them until they're slightly charred. Here are the potatoes slightly charred. I put a little red pepper on them for heat, and then I'm going to add them to the mixture. And that will be my final potato salad. All in all, the knife did a great job. I'm really impressed with it. I highly recommend this knife. It worked great, exceeded my expectations. Now it's time to eat. The salad looks absolutely delicious. Now I get to eat it. Okay, now for the best part, I get to eat it. So let's try this potato salad out. It looks really good. It smells great. Now I'm going to try it. This is so good. It takes a while to make, but this is definitely worth the effort. It's really good. So, I recommend the salad, I recommend the blade, and thank you for listening to my review.